So what do we have here? A food channel. It's all about street food here in India. Sometimes, anytime I go outside, not sometimes, anytime I go outside, I always see different kind of food in here in the streets of India. I'm always tempted to do one test or the other, to eat. Not even test. I am always tempted to eat. So something just came into my mind, and I said, fine. I don't just want to eat. Let me eat and film it. So what are we doing here? I want to be bringing you update on the street food in India, daily street food in India. I will go into the street as a street boy that I am. Go into the street, purchase one or two meal, then eat it. Eat it. If you think I go through, I'll go eat them. So let's go. Let's say masquerade not the feed the dance for outside if you not dance for inside house. So this is going to be my first video. So I'm doing it inside my house. So what you are seeing right now, I just want to start up the channel. So I want to eat egusi soup and what is it called? We call it and swallow. You can call it fufu, you can call it eba, you can call it whatever you can call it. Any name you give them. So far and swallow, they get egusi soup and swallow. So I would like you to join me. Let's go and see how it is being done. Oh shit! Hey God! I beg, make sure you subscribe, please. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit up the notification bell so that you will be notified anytime any video is being uploaded. Please, I beg you, please subscribe to this channel. I want to be bringing you daily street food here in India. Okay, it's all about India to the world. All my Indian family, all my Indian friends, all my Indian people, please make sure you subscribe, you share this video. Make sure you share this video anytime you see this video. Please, I'm begging you. I beg you now. And so I'm eating egusi soup. For those of you who think say people that abroad they chop egusi soup, they lie you. Oh, but they chop swallow, nothing. But I will show you what they chop not be how you see them, but in a different package, but all na swallow, all way na way. They get. So what we have today you see this, although this video is not sponsored by anybody, and if I see who will sponsor the video, oh boy, I'm not going to answer my prayer now. Oh boy. So see what we're going to prepare today. This is rice flour. This is 100% rice. Okay, just rice flour. But see what they use and they do. Them themselves. See things what they use and they do. But now those bonds, all those things that we don't package and use and they do. They chop any soup at all. They get. If you do this, if you have to prepare this, you prepare it. We prepare it with hot water. Okay, prepare it with boiled water, not even hot water, boiled water. And this one, there's a way I like doing my own. I like mixing it up. This is just rice flour, all round rice flour. And me myself personally, I like mixing it up. I like make the thing draw somehow, make it for be like in form of fufu. But if you have to do this just like that, it will give you the texture of what is called pounded yam. If the chop, I go to break like pounded yam, add pounded yam to the break. But if you want make it for be like fufu, make it go draw. If you cut them like you cut and you draw, you mold down, you will draw that kind of level. It will still follow you. So you have to mix it up. Let me show you how I do my own. So this is you see this one wheat. I'll show you this is called wheat. Yes, wheat now. See, most of them are know. It is of different type here in India. All the same. Indian police and they do chapati. India use and they do chapati. They get it everywhere in India. This video is not sponsored. I will say it again. But if I see for this company, I call me and say that kind of level. So what are we doing today? Let me show you how I do my suji, how I do my fufu, how I do it as a swallow. Okay, so the same masquerade they dance for outside if you know if you dance for house. So let me start from home. Okay, so what I'm eating today is egusi soup and swallow. Egusi soup and swallow. Just take on like that. Okay, so see what I'm using to do my swallow. Rice flour, 100% rice. While this one is wheat. So I'm mixing both of them together to give me what I want. That is the way I want it. Some people do this alone. Why some people do this alone? If you do this alone, so that it has a lot of starch. There's a lot of starch on this in this one. So that's why I like mixing it up with this rice one, so that it could match, it could blend. I can't sing, so I can't want to define. So let's go there. Let me take you in and see how it goes. Obrigado. Namaste. Namaste. This is egusi soup already cool inside the fridge. I'm just bringing it out from the fridge, so I have to already it was frozen, so I have to leave it for some time for it to defrost. So I use my knife to bring out the little one I can. I will be able to eat. So let's go there. Let's see how it goes. So I already collect my egusi soup. My egusi soup is on the way. So this is the water for the swallow. Water will take prepare the swallow. So once the water boil, we'll prepare our swallow. That kind of thing. Oh, you get the point now. So it's the time. Let me. You see how the thing this is the direct rice flour. So I take the quantity that I want. Most it depends on you. Some people like doing if you do this one, make this one more than this other one. Like me, I always like this rice flour to be more than this other one, depending on the quantity that you are making. Depending on you. So this is how we do it. This is how we roll. So this is the rice flour and what is it called, and the wheat together. So I want to do magic right now. As you can see, my egusi soup is on the way. It's already on the way. You can see. Don't turn out it. Once you don't fit turn on that first one, see what it give me. So I have, after turning this way, I just add a little water so that I want to cook it for some minutes so that it won't disturb when you are eating it, so that it don't pour you. So I don't pour you, that kind of thing. So what are we doing now? Let's wait for the water to boil the level. But my next video is going to be Indian meal. It's all about Indian meal. But I just want to open up my channel with my own Africa food. Okay, let's open up the channel with African food, because Africa to the world, that kind of level. So let's go there. So my egusi is already ready to run. So let's look at it. Okay, you see about 2 minutes now. So I have to turn it together so that it will be one, so that it will be nice to eat. Okay, so we are done. See the egusi soup now. Consider that bomb I had in my eye. This is the swallow. This is the swallow of it. You see am now. You see am. You make do am as you want. Do am as you want them. If you want more than it's allowed. Ma use this one to test them first. For the testing sake. Okay now. Let's go there. So it is time to eat right now. I want to do some swallow. So this is the soup. This is the same so now. Why this is the swallow. The same. The same now. The same. So one of the things we will learn here for India, we have to stand and eat. So we have to stand and eat so that we'll do everything sharply. It's no time. Okay, so I said thank you. No, I can't come and join me eating. Okay, see I'm now. Boy, since we shall. But they say I'm not. This is not carry for hand. This is not carry for hand. This here. Yeah, now. This is how we roll. This is how we roll, man. Boy, people. Yeah. So they run them now. See I'm now. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you like. Make sure you comment. Make sure you share. Share to your friends and your enemies. Share to everybody. Oh boy. Fegusi. This is just for the house. Next video is going to be Indian meal. Indian food, now Indian street food. Indian street food. It's all about India to the world. India to the world. I want you to be part of this family. I want you to be part of this transformation. This is a big transformation coming. Okay, I want you to be part of it. I want you to at least be part of those who will give you testimony saying, we did there when you start them. Okay, so subscribe, share, like, that kind of thing. But forgive you this one, but I know it's too sweet again. When you eat a good food, you will feel sweat will come out of your body. You get heat. That is the evidence of good living. That is evidence of good food. So it's all about India to the world, India to the world. Share this video, please. Share, I beg. I beg, and I go that you use the beg you, I beg. Get my point now. Share this video. Share this video, I beg. Make sure you subscribe, okay? Subscribe. Don't chop finish now, don't gauge that kind of thing. Ah, oh boy, to enter. So what I have to advise you guys, I don't like wasting food, and I don't encourage anyone to waste food. So when you do this swallow, when you miss, sometimes the flour, maybe you put more and you're not able to finish it all. It must always be like that. Either you finish it or it's not up to your gauge. So you have to choose one. So like me, I always like doing excess of it, so that after finish eating, then the remaining one of it, as you see, so you see I'm now put up in a leather, and so put them back to inside fridge. Put them for inside fridge. Anytime now morning, any day at all, even for 2 days, 3 days, I say I want to eat it now, I just bring it out, then put it inside pot. I'll lose the nylon out there, put it inside pot, add little water. We go let them feel at least take boil for like 2 minutes. Once it don't boil, you don't need any other thing again. Our hands, you go just take. You know how to do that early morning. That apple they chop remain for like a night. In the morning, niora. They call it niora. You go press and put it inside soup. Pour soup on top. Use and take chopper. That kind of thing. Now they do this kind of one. So this one I said keep. So don't waste food. So that's why you have fridge. Put inside the fridge. Anytime you want to eat it, you eat it. So thank you everybody. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I would like you to subscribe to this channel. Drop a comment. What do you want? How do you want us to do this channel? So drop some vital comments that how you want us to do this. This is all about India to the world. You get my point now, okay? So I hope to drop you more videos. So I like you to subscribe so that you'll be seeing any kind of video any video I'm going to be dropping. Next is the street of India. I want to go and eat all food in India. Eat all! Obrigado! Namaste, everybody.